Stop waiting, start living. You've waited long enough. You've told yourself, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe when I'm ready. But let me tell you something. Ready is a lie. There's no magical moment where you'll feel fearless, flawless, or fully prepared. Because growth doesn't happen in comfort, it happens in motion. It happens when you move, even when you're afraid. Success isn't built on giant leaps. It's built on small, quiet steps that nobody sees. Early mornings, late nights, tiny decisions you make when no one's watching. And those small choices, they shape your destiny. Right now, you have a decision to make. Stay stuck in the same cycle of waiting, doubting, hesitating, or break free. Break the pattern. Don't waste another day sitting on your dreams. Don't let fear, failure, or other people's opinions hold the pen to your life story. You write it. You shape it. You live it. Will it be easy? No. You'll fail. You'll fall. You'll question everything. But every fall teaches you how to rise. Every failure sharpens your strength. And every single day you refuse to quit, you get better, stronger, closer. So here's your reminder. You don't have forever. Your time is precious. Your potential is real. And your moment is right now. Start, move, learn, grow. Your future self is waiting. And they're proud of you for starting today.